So hi, my name is Karlo, one of the U coaches here at Winter Park, and today we're going to talk a little bit about SMR, or self-myofascial release. So self-myofascial release is a safe and effective way to apply pressure on the myofascial connective tissue just to increase blood flow, flexibility, range of motion, and in some cases, eliminate pain. So what is this fascia? Fascia is a little layer, very slimy, that protects organs, muscles, blood vessels, nerves, and it can actually tear. In a gym context, it's actually from overexertion or overuse. So today we're gonna have an example with Manny. He's gonna have a tight left hamstring. So let's just imagine he did his max squat yesterday. He did 225, he hit it, he's happy about it, but he pays for it today because he's walking with a little limp. His left hamstring is tight. So what I'm gonna ask from Manny is to confirm it with an overhead squat assessment. So Manny, face the wall. So you're gonna put both of your arms up and we're gonna go down to a squat. So as we can see, he's favoring one side, his lower back is rounding a little bit. So with this, you can come up. With this, we can confirm that his left hamstring or his left side is tight. So the hamstring is actually connected to the calves, to the quads, to the glutes. So maybe the pain source is the hamstring, but maybe the calves is too tight, or the glutes, or the quads. So we're in our example here, we're just gonna focus on the hamstrings. In real life, real client, I would actually start with the calves, like move around the hamstring just to create more blood flow. And once we hit the hamstring, it's more effective with the healing and the recovery part. So Manny, you're gonna lay down on the floor. Okay, so it's your left. Your right is gonna be flexed. Yep, you're gonna put this right below your knee. You're gonna straighten out your leg. And you're gonna start rolling slowly up. Slowly, yep. We want to keep your toes pointing up. Good. The glutes are slightly above the floor and your core is engaged. Now come back down. So the hamstring is a very long muscle, so we want to be patient with it. We don't want to rush. We usually take about 20 seconds. With the hamstring, you can take a little bit more if you want, just to be sure we're getting every part of that muscle. Good, take a little break. And for the second one, we're just gonna add a little, another dimension to it, different angles. So Manny, you're gonna start rolling up. Once you start rolling up, you're gonna point up your toes and you're gonna start rotating it medially towards the center of your body while you roll. Yep, so now we're hitting more of the medial part of the hamstring. Come back down, and now rotate it towards the other side. And start rolling up too. Good. So that's a quick crash course for foam rolling the hamstring.